Bitcoin is at a tipping point, and traders are holding their breath. The price is coiling like a spring, ready for a massive move. The big question is, which way will it break? Let's dive into the charts and see what the market is telling us. Right now, the market is a battlefield of conflicting signals. The overall sentiment is incredibly mixed, creating a tense atmosphere of anticipation. On one hand, some data suggests that the big players, the so-called whales, are quietly accumulating Bitcoin, buying up what smaller investors are selling. This is historically a very bullish sign. The bullish case hinges on a few key patterns. Many analysts are pointing to a large triangle formation on the 4-hour chart. The optimists believe we are seeing an upward breakout from this pattern. If Bitcoin can decisively push past the $120,000 resistance, the path could open up for a significant rally. The first major target would be around $123,000, with some extremely bullish forecasts calling for a move towards $133,000. For traders looking for an entry, a confirmed break above $120,000 could be the signal they're waiting for. However, every story has two sides. The bears have a strong case as well. They see the same chart pattern not as a launchpad, but as a descending triangle, a classic bearish signal. They argue that the declining trading volume points to a potential sharp breakdown. If the key support level around 117,000 to 116,000 fails to hold, we could see a rapid sell-off. This breakdown could be a potential selling point, with initial targets around 111,000. Some even predict a deeper correction towards 106,000 to reset the market before any further upside. So, let's summarize the key takeaways. Bitcoin is stuck in a tightening range, and a major move is imminent. The bullish scenario. A decisive breakout above $120,000 could signal the start of the next leg up, with targets at 123,000 and beyond. This is the buy point to watch. The bearish scenario. A rejection at current levels, followed by a drop below the critical 116,000 support zone, would be a significant sign of weakness. This could be a selling point, with the price potentially heading towards 111,000. In conclusion, the market is balanced on a knife's edge. Upcoming U.S. economic news could act as the catalyst that finally forces Bitcoin's hand. The battle lines are drawn between 116,000 on the downside and 120,000 on the upside. A break of this range will likely set the trend for the coming weeks. As always, manage your risk and trade smart.